Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Tuesday, May 16th. We got a few economic news releases to go over today. We'll start off with the housing starts for the month of April. So back in March, we had 1.203 million housing starts. And for the month of April, the forecast is at 1.259. And it looked like it came backwards in the month of April. So it dipped down to 1.172 million for the month of April. So obviously not a good start, or not great, unfortunately, there. On the other hand, we also have building permits in the month of April, so we had 1.26 million in March. Then the number for April came in at 1.229. So overall, housing not too good. We got houses started as well as looking at future, and it dropped off from March to April here. So again, this is something we want to keep an eye on. The confidence seemed to be at a decent level, home builders' confidence level, but they must be feeling a little bit antsy as to, about the future, as to about building houses and stuff like that. So maybe things might be slowing down for them, so they're holding back a little bit. So this is something we'll want to keep an eye on. Later today, as I indicated yesterday, I have a conference later this morning, so I'm up a little extra early for this to get this out for you guys. But later this morning, about 7:15 Pacific Standard Time, these will come out, the industrial production. So in March, it came up 0.5%. The forecast for April coming to 0.5%. We'll get this later on today. And capacity utilization, right here, we had 76.1% back in March, and we figured it'll increase to 76.3% in April. So we'll see those numbers at about 7:15 this morning, Pacific Standard Time. So we'll see if what those will come out later on here. So far, it is early, so the stock market, the futures are up right now. Again, we had NASDAQ and S&P close at all-time highs yesterday. Right now, earnings reports have come out. We've had some already released this morning, so a lot of positive news right there. So expect so far the futures show that that stocks should close or should open in a positive manner here. So take a look here at the bond market. Bond market is open right now. So we are we started the morning off lower than where we left off yesterday. Yesterday we closed about, I think it was 9 or 6 basis points lower than where we left off on Friday. This morning we started the morning off lower at the 10-day moving average, but so far we're up about 6 basis points from where we left off yesterday. So we're pretty much even where we left off on Friday, which is obviously a good sign. So we got a little room here. We got the 10-day moving average. We got the first level of resistance, including the 25-day moving average right here. So we got a little bit of room here where we can go a sideways pattern here. Again, not a lot of news this week that might move us to one or the other this week, but maybe next week we'll have some more news that'll pop us in a different direction. But right now, rates are about the same as where we left off yesterday. There's not a whole lot of difference in pricing. When you look at 6 basis points, it's not really enough to really change our pricing structure there. All right, folks, so hopefully this will help you guys out for the day. Again, I'm sorry didn't have more information, as I had the conference later today, and but I want to at least get this out for you guys so it gives you some type of a gauge as to where the market started off this morning. But I will try to I'll try to do this periodically. I might be a little slow on it, but I'll try to see if I can send out updates on my Twitter account here at Mike Bjork. Typically, I'm on there all the time and submitting updates throughout the day, but today might be a little on the slower side, so during breaks maybe I'll try to send up updates on Twitter here for you guys. All right, so that way you guys get more updated news later in the day here. Meanwhile, if you guys need any purchase, if you guys are in the market for a purchase or refinance, I can certainly help you guys out there. I am a loan officer. I can help you out with your pre-approvals and financing of your purchases, as well as help you with your rate and term refinance, or try to get you a lower rate, or if you need to take money out of your property, the equity of the property for certain circumstances, we can certainly help you out with those as well. Just please feel free to reach out. All right, have a wonderful day, and we'll look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow.